Today on Ray's Toolbox, we're going to upgrade the ceiling in the bedroom. The first thing I needed to do was remove the trim around the top of the paneling. That way I can get to the ceiling all the way to the edges. I'm going to put these on 90 degrees with the ceiling joist, so I needed to mark where they was so I knew where to fasten them, where to put the nails in, where they would hold. For the new ceiling, I'm going to put on some beadboard. This is a 1/4 inch thick board, 3 5/8 inches wide, and it comes in 8-foot long sections. You have your choice of which side that you use, whether you want the bead looking side or the simply a V look on the back side. Both sides look nice. I chose the beadboard side. It is a tongue and groove edges on it, so that helps fill in any gaps and variations, helps hold it together as well. I used the nail gun with 1 1/4 inch nails in it to nail them onto the ceiling joist. Going down the length of the ceiling, I just used regular butt joints to put the pieces together. At the end of the run, I cut off wherever the length was to make it fit, and then used the piece that I cut off to go ahead and start the next run with. That way it came out that I had nice staggered edges. It didn't look really fake or anything. It looked nice. When I came up to the ceiling vent, I was able to loosen the screws, let the vent drop down just a little bit, and I was able to work the board just under the edge of it and tighten it up snugly on it. It looked pretty good after I went around it. When it came up to the ceiling fan, I cut the arc best I could around it and got it pretty close. It matched pretty good. You can tell there's a difference if you look close at it, but it's good enough for me. Coming up to the last wall, the opposite wall, the last piece I had to rip down the center and then nail it in place. As we put the pieces up, we stained them a nice golden oak color, and that goes pretty well with everything else in the house. The last step was to put the trim back up. The ceiling dropped the trim down 1/4 inch, so I didn't have to worry about the nails pointing out of the same holes that they was in before. And this is what the ceiling looks like now. I think it was quite a nice upgrade. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed getting an idea perhaps for your place. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and we will see you on the next video. Bye.